video will teach you how to use Blackboard Collaborate, which is the classroom interface where live synchronous lectures are held. For Blackboard Collaborate, you click on the Blackboard Collaborate link on the main web page. It will bring up another screen. You will put in your username. Your username is always your student ID, and your password is always your 8-digit date of birth. Once you log in to Blackboard Collaborate, you will see something that says Display Schedule. You hit Display Schedule, and your schedule will come up. Only the classes you're enrolled in. Obviously, there's more than several classes that are available. When a class is available for you to log into, you will see a Join button. And you notice here, it will also tell you the time that the class is available. So if I were to join, hit the join button, the class would come up. What I'm going to do next is play a video on how to use the Blackboard Collaborate interface.
Welcome to the Blackboard Collaborate web conferencing participant orientation. This orientation session is designed to introduce you to the basic web conferencing features that you'll need to participate in a session. The first thing you'll need to do is to check your speaker and microphone setup. Prior to joining your session, make sure all the cable connectors are securely plugged into the correct sockets. Next, check to see if your speakers are functioning. For example, check the speaker's indicator light. Check to make sure they're plugged into a power source. And if you're using batteries, make sure they're charged. Make sure the power switch on your speaker is turned on and the volume is set. If your microphone has a switch, make sure that it is on and not muted. Do you have the correct drivers for your sound card? If not, go ahead and get them before your session. Still not working? Then visit Blackboard Collaborate's technical support website. Now let's check your speaker and microphone setup. During your session, Blackboard Collaborate provides a utility to configure your audio settings. You can access this utility at any time during your session by clicking the Audio Setup Wizard button located in the Audio and Video panel. Follow the steps to configure your audio. First, select your audio output device. You may have more than one device that can play the session audio. Select the desired output device. If it is an unplugged USB device, plug it in and wait for the system to recognize it. Click the refresh button to add the device to the list, and then click OK. Now, set your speaker volume. Click the play button to hear a short recording. While this plays, adjust the speaker volume slider to a comfortable listening level. Then click Stop and confirm you are able to hear the recording. Now select your audio input device. This is the microphone you will use to send your audio to others during the session. If you're using a USB microphone, plug it in, wait a few seconds, and then click the refresh button. Select the device and click OK. Next, test your microphone by recording your voice. Click the record button and speak into the microphone. Adjust the slider so that it mostly shows green. Click Stop. Listen to your recorded voice and confirm that your microphone is working properly. Now you've completed your audio setup. Now let's set your connection speed. When you join the session, the first thing you need to do is set your connection speed so that Blackboard Collaborate can efficiently manage the data that it sends and receives. This only needs to be done one time because Blackboard Collaborate will remember the setting the next time you join a session. If you want to change the setting on a PC, select Edit, Preferences, Session, and Connection. And on a Mac, select Preferences, which are found under the Blackboard Collaborate menu. This is the participant interface. There are four main areas of the interface. The Audio and Video panel, which is where you will turn on and off your microphone and your webcam. The Participants panel, which is where you will see the moderator and all participants listed. This is where you'll do things like raise your hand, respond to a polling question, and see the indicators of which session tools are in use and which permissions you may or may not have been given by the moderator. The chat panel. This is where you will send and receive text chat messages. The whiteboard is the main content area of the screen, and there's a set of whiteboard tools available for you to draw or write on the whiteboard page. Now let's take a look at how you can raise your hand during the session. Click on the Raise Hand button, and the hand icon will appear in the participant panel, and a number indicating the order in which you've raised your hands will appear. Provide feedback using the emoticons. Click the feedback or the emoticon button to find feedback options such as the smiley face, applause, and confusion. The emotion will appear next to your name in the participants panel. To speak during the session, click on the Talk button or use the hotkey of Control plus F2. The Talk button will change to show a microphone icon, and the same icon will appear to the right of your name in the participants list. When you are done talking, click the Talk button again to turn off your microphone. There will be a clear indicator in the participants panel which participants have their microphones turned on. And by opening the audio and video panel, you'll be able to see who is actively speaking. The web conferencing session supports up to 6 live simultaneous video streams. Click the Preview button to preview your video, and then click the button to transmit. Chat is available to send and receive text messages. Simply type your message and hit Enter on your keyboard. You may also send private chat messages. Right-click on a participant's name, or from the Participants Options menu, select Send a Private Chat. Each private chat conversation will be in a separate tab with the participant's name. The whiteboard is the main content area of the screen. This is where you can view a presentation or collaborate with other participants using the whiteboard tools. The whiteboard tools are located in a palette that can be moved anywhere on the screen that you like. To use a tool, click on it to make it active. Once the tool is selected, it can be changed to various properties. For example, the pointer can become a hand or a smiley face. There is also a collection of clip art images available. Whiteboard pages can be saved by selecting File, Save, and then select Whiteboard. Then you'll need to select the pages you wish to save. All the pages, the current page being displayed, or multiple specifically selected pages. Then click OK. Select the format you want. PDF is the most popular for saving content to be viewed outside of the session. You can print the whiteboard pages by selecting File, Print, and Whiteboard. The moderator has the ability also to disable the save and print functionality. You can step away from the session by clicking the Step Away button. The word Away and the Away icon will appear next to your name in the participants list. You can leave the session from the Help menu. You may also rejoin from that menu. Thanks for taking the time to view this orientation to Blackboard Collaborate web conferencing. Visit the On Demand Learning Center to get more information. You can go there now by clicking the word On Demand Learning Center on your screen. And if you need technical assistance, visit our support website. Thank you.